everybody, today I'm gonna show you a creepy face of Jigsaw Billy by using face paint. I bought this at IBC International Book Centers and it's about $3.20. So Jigsaw Billy have like twirl around his cheek. See? Then there. Jigsaw Billy, I'm just calling her Billy. That's great. That's shortcut me. Billy have like black eyebrow. There, I'm gonna use black on my eyebrow. Then next I'm gonna draw the eyelid, color the eyelid this way. Just go into the corner. There. Billy have like his chin have like stars using color black. And next, and we're done with the face, and I'm gonna make the hair. It's kind of crazy. Jigsaw hair. I mean Billy hair. This one. Ouch. Good job. Bye guys, thanks for watching my video and stay tuned for a lot more face paint tutorial on Sophearum.com. Bye.